actual, real, live rain. It was a wonderful thing. Your grass is going, thank you, thank you. It was nice while it lasted. Wasn't a lot. It's not going to change the overall weather pattern, but it was the first rain we had seen in Lexington in 2.5 weeks. So it is, almost 2 weeks. I tell you, it was 12 days. I was getting ahead of myself there. You are looking at a St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera that has little cumulus clouds on there. These are not growing vertically, so until they do, we're not going to see much about anything else going on. The front has not passed yet, and so until it does, the rain chance will linger. And there are a couple of showers to the north. We've got a few showers going across southeastern Kentucky at this point, strongest of which from Wayne into McCreary over into Whitley County. That's a splash and dash shower. You might eventually hear rumble of thunder from it. Lighter rain then southern Breathitt County, northern Leslie, back into parts of Owsley County, Jackson County too. And then the actual cold front is still sitting up here along I-70, so it's working its way southward. Max Track, again, it actually rained. For most, not everybody saw it, and we'll talk about that in a second. Back to school tomorrow, back to normal. Temperatures in the mid-80s. Weekend getting hotter with some popcorn thunder shower possibility. So that's the rain as it came through this morning. You notice to the southwest of Lexington, not much rain showed up there. We check some of the rain gauges around a generous rainfall around most of Fayette County. Veterans Park, just about 2/3 of an inch of rain. Childsburg, 6/10 of an inch off of Richmond Road there. East Hickman, down southern part of the county, about a 1/2 inch. 6/10 out of the Winchester Road area. 2/3 of an inch at Bryan Station. A little bit less north and west. You see downtown was a 1/2 inch. Up toward Yarnalton was 4/10 of an inch. The airport picked up 4/10. Glensboro out in Anderson County, 6/10 of an inch. Highbridge had 4/10 of an inch of rain. Look at Clay City, just about a 1/2 inch. But Farmers over there in Rowan County, almost 1.5 inches of rain came down. One big rain swath there, one out to the west, and then kind of a little H making there in the middle along the I-64 corridor. From the Kentucky Mesonet, kymesonet.org, you see some of the rainfall totals there. Moorhead again at about 8/10 of an inch. Lexington just under a 1/2. But Vanceburg up in Lewis County was over 1 inch of rain. Here's the folks who didn't get anything and liked it, which is almost a line from Caddyshack. Stanford and Boonville, again, 0 on the rain gauges. So the bigger picture, there is your rain working its way to the south and east. One more little line of showers out there, bigger thunderstorms across the Carolinas and Tennessee. Extreme southern southeast Kentucky still has a slight risk for severe storms. I think that is probably really pushing it at this point. There's your cold front. It will continue dropping southward as it does so. Somewhat drier air is going to try and work in. It's not going to change a whole lot for us. Your day tomorrow begins with fog. Very small shower chance, then on Thursday we really do start drying things out. Overall, the weather pattern undergoes very little change. We're talking temperatures today, we're in the mid-80s. We'll be in the mid-80s tomorrow, and looking ahead there to Thursday. And then we start a warm-up as we head toward the weekend. It is muggy out there. Those dew point numbers are still in the 70s. Heat index values, though, for the most part are in the low 90s, as air temperatures are for the most part running in the mid-80s. Your forecast for tonight. Variable clouds. Thunder shower can't be ruled out. Patchy fog will be dropping down to around 70. It's mid-80s tomorrow, becoming partly sunny as the day goes on. A stray shower chance, but again, it's not a big one. Mid-80s Thursday, mid-upper 80s Friday. Picnic with the Pops Saturday. You can't rule out a popcorn thunderstorm at some point this weekend, but temperatures will be in the 90s.
Might be picnic with the Pops and popcorn pop-ups.
Wow.
Something like that.
Nicely done. Well done.
Thank you, Bill.